In this video, we're going to be talking about Vechain. We're going to be analyzing Vechain's price, and we're going to be giving a price prediction and if it has the potential to reach $1. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Vechain, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Vechain is currently up 1.86% over the last 24 hours. You can see on this chart that they've got Vechain is making higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We're pretty much in a bullish trend, so which is what we like to see, as Vechain's price has declined crazy. So yeah. But as you can see, the overall circulating supply is 64.32 billion. The current market cap is about 3.5 billion. We definitely do have the potential. If we check the monthly, we can see that we're overall bearish. We've been very, very bearish. But hopefully, from this little accumulation phase, we can have some more bullish intent coming through with more buyers, and it just depends on if on the overall project of Vechain, and if they can give us some major projects that have to be coming through. But other than that, let's quickly check at the overall market before we head on to trading view. You can see the overall market is down 4.08% over the last day. The global crypto market cap is at 1.68 trillion. You can see Bitcoin is up 0.81%. Let me quickly refresh the page. Bitcoin is down 8.81%. Ethereum up 3.35%. Ethereum almost up 13% on the weekly. On the 7 days, Bitcoin up 4% on this over the 7 days. Like the likes of BNB is up 0.25%. So yeah, it's not looking too bad. Cardano, then they've got Solana. So yeah, it's not looking too bad for the overall market. Hopefully we can now start making some bullish intent. But if we come over to Vechain, we're going to be analyzing the price. So as you can see, we've pretty much been in a downtrend after this all-time high that did come through of about 0.28 cent. So if we quickly run over and list out, the main thing that I see is this support zone. This is a very strong support zone, and my main reason for this is that it has been tested once, twice, and now been tested for the third time essentially. So this is a very strong support zone. Hopefully we do not break below it. If we do, then it's not going to be looking too good. But yeah, from this we can see that this is a strong support zone, and in order for us to have a change in character coming through, we just need to have a break above this region. This region is mainly very important, as this is what caused the break of structure from this and break of structure from this. So you have to take that into consideration. But if we drop down to the daily, we can have a bit more in-depth detail of what is happening within the market. So if we quickly draw out a Fibonacci retracement from this region all the way to the bottom, let's just drag over here. This is pretty much Vechain did have a really good reversal point from this region. So as you can see, we did have the huge bullish up movement to create the new all-time high, and then from here pretty much reached this low, and then price has slowly gradually built itself back up into the 0.618 region, and from this region this is a strong reversal. It's pretty not a reversal, but a strong resistance zone, and pretty much the market did respect the zone, and it also depends on the current market conditions of Bitcoin. Let's quickly check out Bitcoin. So as you can see, Bitcoin is now starting to see, so we're now starting to see some bullish market intent coming through. As you can see here, I did mark out this region as a strong support zone, and pretty much it did respect it very well. We did have a break of structure from this region, and hopefully we can target these this high and then this high. So yeah, once we reach above this, I think that we're now into a bullish market, but it just depends you know how Bitcoin is. The Fed like to ruin Bitcoin. But if you quickly get back to Vechain, we can drop down to the 4. If we drop down to the 4 hour, what can we see here? We can see here that little accumulation phase being played out. Let's quickly let me just draw this out. A little accumulation phase. Yeah, so our accumulation phase has been pretty much played out. We're just waiting for the pretty much the major bullish intent. Yeah, so once the bullish intent does come through, we do have a huge bullish intent that will pretty much confirm the accumulation, and pretty much hopefully we can see a strong accumulation. Even though it's only on the 4 hour, if we could have seen an accumulation on the daily, it would have meant much more, as it means that more orders within daily, as the daily time frame is a much stronger time frame. So yeah, that also does have to come into play. But other than that, we're gonna have to wait and see on how the overall market conditions are. Yeah, so this is the main target for Vechain. But if we let me quickly draw a Fibonacci, and then we'll see what points are points of a strong resistance. So this is pretty much a strong resistance zone. There's a 0.618 region. This is the main resistance zone, as well as at the 50% is also a strong resistance zone. We just have to take these into consideration and how the overall market plays. But this is not gambling. You know how it is. We like to trade responsibly, and we just have to wait. And in my opinion, I feel like this is probably one of the best times to invest into Vechain. And in my opinion, I think that Vechain does have definitely does have the ability to reach near enough $1. Not even one, definitely easy, at least 10x. No, not 10x. Probably at least 5x on your initial investment, in my opinion. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. And peace.